To Venture Food Trucks once again. Today we've just received a brand new 24-foot Freightliner truck, and I'm going to show you around the inside of an empty truck to show you what it looks like before we begin our builds. So this is one large truck, as you can see. And inside is totally empty. So this truck has to be fully insulated and lined, our diamond plate put on the floor, all of the fire suppression, electrical, plumbing, and appliances. This is going to be one nice truck when we're finished. www.venturefoodtrucks.com. Call us anytime. 1-855-405-2324.